5, so that's perfect. Lesson 36. So, they're going to give you ugly problems like this. Do not be afraid. The Lord is with you. Seriously. No, these are like awful problems, but it goes back to that same thing we were talking about. It's like, you know how to do these things. They're just combining them and putting them all together. It's like that old Awanas song for the Bible. It's like, a perfect book is what it took. Did you guys do Awanas? God to get his message to no? Okay, whatever. It's gone. The whole analogy is shot. Okay, so you're multiplying these two ugly fractions. Does anyone want to do this? No! You don't want to do x squared times x squared and x times all those and like, it's just gross. So what we are going to do is as follows. First, I want you to factor each of these because they're going to give you a bunch of them that cancel nicely. Okay? So it's like them giving you a beautiful gift. So what two numbers multiply to make negative 12 but add to make 1?
Positive 4.
If you're not fast with it, you must be. You have to do it 4 times in one problem. Like this is when you guys like you finish your test and you're like, give us more time, right? I can't give you more time. Like if someone asked me for more time on that problem to factor it to this, like this is part 1 of all the different things that you have to do on this problem. So like you have to do it quickly, okay? What two numbers multiply to make negative 20 and add to make negative 1? Let me finish the question, please.
I really like these problems.
Okay, what two numbers multiply to make negative 20 and add to make negative 1? We'll take a moment to think.
7, do you want to do that?
Shh. Okay, answers?
Negative 5, positive 5.
Negative 5, positive 5.
4. I said 4.
Okay,
Who said
just
5?
checking. I don't know. All right, multiply by. What two numbers makes it? You know what? Why don't you read the question?
Okay. Oh, what two numbers multiply?
No, with enthusiasm, like so
Okay,
everyone
okay.
can hear.
Okay, what two numbers multiply to make negative? What is that? Is that 35?
Well, I don't know. You were already answering the question.
Okay.
So.
Okay, what two numbers multiply to make negative 35 that add to make positive 2?
Okay, so everyone take a moment to think.
Can we take a moment to take a nap?
Okay, what two numbers?
13 and 12. Negative 5.
7.
Excuse me.
I don't know how to scale.
Oh dear. 7 and negative 5.
Yes.
7 minus 5 is 2.
No, 13 and 12 makes sense. You just gotta keep it
Okay, last one. What are they?
X plus 2, X and 2.
Okay, so now that you've factored them all, you are going to cancel.
I don't think any of them cancel.
Many of them do.
1.
So these guys cancel. Shh. Just allow me to teach the you have the exclusive ticket. It's like the NFL Sunday ticket where you're like right there and you have your like 100-foot floor to ceiling like TV screen. Like you're paying to have the experience. Or like you have your tickets and you're like front row, 50-yard line. Like people are sweating. Like when they like catch the ball and then run out of bounds, like they're running into your seat. Like you don't go, oh, sorry, I'll catch that for you. No. You watch the professional do it, okay? So you can observe and learn. So we're canceling the x minus 5s. We're canceling the x plus 7s. We're canceling the x plus 4s. And we're canceling nothing else. So what are you left with? You're left with x minus 3 over x plus 2. And that's it. So it starts with a really ugly problem. It simplifies quite nicely because they're giving you problems that intentionally simplify easily. If you get more than one term up here, don't multiply them out. Just leave them in factored form. Okay, shall we do another? This
Sure.
time with division, which is unwelcome in the church.
Oh wait, that's easy.
Thank you.
That's easy.
Okay, so we have x squared minus 6x plus 8, success, divided by x squared plus 3x minus 28, divided by x squared minus 2x minus 15 over x squared plus 2x minus 35. I'd like to assign this section of the room to the first fraction, this section of the room to the second fraction, and this section of the room to absolute silence for the next 30 seconds.
Okay. I join absolute silence.
Can you time that? No, I'm gonna call on you for the answer.
Oh, what?
Right? Is that right?
Oh,
Now we're like doing it?
wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're intently watching that timer. Thank you.
Of course.
Like, he's intently.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you, sir. All right, Simon, what's the factorization of the first one?
What's minus?
Wait, hold on. Is your name Simon?
Is it?
Go ahead, Simon.
-4, -2.
Correct. All right. Someone from that section. What's the factorization of the bottom? X minus 7. X.
No,
No,
it's
plus
plus 7
7.
minus.
Aha. You're correct. Plus 7 minus 4. Now I'm going to divide this by Taylor.
That is 3 and -5.
Correct. And last one, the back row.
7 and -5.
Correct. Okay. Now, here's the trick. When you're doing fraction division, you have to flip the second one. So your first step here is to flip. So we get this wonderful fraction, x minus 4, x minus 2. Then I'm going to bring these to the top. I could have canceled here before, but that's fine. Okay, now that I've flipped, I will cancel and I am done. So I'm going to cancel the x minus 4s, cancel x plus 7s, I'm going to cancel x minus 5s, and I'm left with
X minus 2 over x plus 3.
that's it. Guys, don't despise the days of small beginnings, the Bible says. It's like where, like you learn little things. Am I wrong?
No, class is over. And we didn't get
Don't forget, like, don't despise the little things, like factoring, because they build and become more painful. So,